During modern conflicts, the most dangerous threats are no longer only fighter jets or ballistic missiles. Increasingly, it's small drones and low-flying aircraft that pose the biggest challenge. In response to this evolving battlefield, Iran has introduced a new short-range air defense system designed specifically for these threats, the Qaem-118. Recently unveiled during the Great Prophet 19 military exercise, the Qaem-118 highlights Iran's growing focus on layered defense and rapid response battlefield protection. The Qaem-118 is Iran's newest short-range air defense system, developed entirely with domestic technology. Its primary mission is to counter drones, loitering munitions, and low-flying aircraft within a range of approximately 25 kilometers. This range places the Qaem-118 in a critical position within Iran's air defense structure. It fills the gap between long-range strategic systems and close-in-point defenses, acting as the final protective layer for ground forces and sensitive infrastructure. By focusing on short-range threats, the system reflects a clear understanding of how modern aerial attacks are evolving. One of the key features of the Qaem-118 is its high mobility. The system is mounted on the RS-3 tactical vehicle, allowing it to be rapidly deployed across different terrains. Each unit carries 5 missile launchers, providing immediate firepower without the need for lengthy setup. This mobility allows the Qaem-118 to move with ground forces, protect mobile units, and quickly reposition after engagement. In modern warfare, survivability often depends on movement. Static air defense systems are vulnerable, while mobile platforms like the Qaem-118 can adapt to changing battlefield conditions. The Qaem-118 uses multi-mode guidance, combining several sensor types to ensure reliable target engagement. These include radar tracking, optical sensors, and thermal imaging systems. This sensor fusion allows the system to operate effectively during day and night, in rain, dust, or low visibility conditions, and against small and low signature targets. The ability to switch or combine guidance modes increases resilience against countermeasures and electronic interference, a crucial advantage in contested environments. Another important capability of the Qaem-118 is its fire control radar, which can link multiple launchers into a single network. Rather than operating as isolated units, Qaem-118 systems can form a coordinated defensive grid. This significantly improves protection against swarm drone attacks or multiple low-altitude threats approaching at once. The Qaem-118 missile is equipped with a fragmentation warhead optimized to destroy or disable small aerial targets. This type of warhead is particularly effective against small drones, loitering munitions, and light aircraft. Compared to traditional anti-aircraft artillery, missile-based systems like Qaem-118 offer higher precision, greater engagement range, and reduced ammunition expenditure. This makes the system more efficient and adaptable to modern air threats. Iran's air defense strategy relies heavily on layered protection. Long-range systems handle high-altitude and distant threats, while medium-range assets cover broader areas. The Qaem-118 serves as the final defensive shield, protecting ground units, command centers, and critical infrastructure. By integrating with reconnaissance platforms such as the Mohajer-10 drone, the system completes the chain from detection to interception. Surveillance drones identify threats early, while the Qaem-118 delivers the final response. This integration reflects a growing emphasis on networked warfare rather than isolated systems. According to Iranian sources, the Qaem-118 has already undergone successful field trials, demonstrating operational readiness under realistic conditions. Its fully indigenous design underscores Iran's continued push towards self-reliance in defense technology, particularly in areas affected by sanctions and supply limitations. While the Qaem-118 may not attract the same attention as long-range missiles, its role is arguably just as important. Short-range air defense systems often decide the outcome of real-world engagements by protecting forces at the most vulnerable moment. The Qaem-118 is not about projecting power, it's about survival, protection, and adaptability. In an era dominated by drones and low-altitude threats, systems like this may define the future of battlefield defense.